Can Apple TV cast to Chromecast? Yes, Apple TV content can be cast to Chromecast, but there is no direct casting feature within the Apple TV app. However, users can still stream Apple TV Plus content to a Chromecast device using alternative methods. 1. Watching Apple TV Plus on Chromecast with Google TV. If you have a Chromecast with Google TV, you can install the Apple TV app directly from the Google Play Store and stream content without casting. How to install Apple TV on Chromecast with Google TV. Step 1. Go to the Google Play Store on your Chromecast with Google TV. Step 2. Search for Apple TV and install the app. Step 3. Open the app and sign in with your Apple ID. Step 4. Start watching Apple TV Plus content directly on Chromecast. 2. Casting Apple TV Plus from Chrome browser, Windows and Mac. If you don't have Chromecast with Google TV, you can use a Google Chrome browser on your PC or Mac to cast Apple TV Plus to Chromecast. How to cast Apple TV Plus from Chrome. Step 1. Open Google Chrome on your computer. Step 2. Go to tv.apple.com and log in with your Apple ID. Step 3. Play the movie or show you want to watch. Step 4. Click the three-dot menu in Chrome and select Cast. Step 5. Choose your Chromecast device from the list. Step 6. The video will stream on your Chromecast connected TV. 3. Casting Apple TV Plus from an Android phone using web browser. Apple TV Plus does not have native Chromecast support on its Android app, but you can cast using the web browser method. How to cast from an Android device. Step 1. Open Google Chrome on your Android phone. Step 2. Go to tv.apple.com and sign in. Step 3. Play a movie or show. Step 4. Tap the three-dot menu and select Cast. Step 5. Choose your Chromecast device. 4. Can you cast Apple TV Plus from an iPhone or iPad? No, Apple TV Plus on iPhone and iPad does not support Chromecast. Instead, Apple devices use AirPlay to stream to Apple TV or AirPlay-compatible devices. 5. Using a third-party casting app. If you need to cast Apple TV Plus from an iPhone or iPad, you can try third-party apps like Replica or Streamer for Chromecast, but these may have limitations. 6th alternative, use an HDMI cable or smart TV app. If Chromecast doesn't work well, consider connecting your laptop to the TV via HDMI and watching Apple TV Plus on a browser, using the Apple TV app on supported smart TVs, Samsung, LG, Sony, Roku. 7. Does Apple TV support built-in Chromecast casting? No, Apple TV does not have a built-in cast button like YouTube or Netflix. Yes, it can be cast using a web browser or installed directly on Chromecast with Google TV. Apple TV Plus can be streamed on Chromecast with Google TV via the Apple TV app, or it can be cast from a Chrome browser on a computer. However, iPhones and iPads do not support Chromecast natively, requiring alternative methods like AirPlay or third-party apps.